Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This introduction myself. My name is Asik Kirana, NPM 233160337. Okay, introduction to loops. Loops are control structure used in programming to execute a set of instructions repeatedly. They help automate repetitive tasks and play a crucial role in computative efficiency and interactive operation. Next, the for loop. Overview. The for loop is used to execute a block of code a specified number of times. It consists of an initialization condition and iterator, making it ideal for iterating through array of forming numerical iteration. Usage. It is commonly used when the number of iterations is known, making it beneficial for iterating over a range of values or a sequence of elements. Next, syntax of the for loop. Number 1, initialization. The loop variable is initialized before the loop begins, usually with a string of value. 2. Condition. Experience in evaluated before each iteration to determine if the loop should continue executing. Number 3. Iterator. This collector the increment or decrement of the loop variable, influencing its progression through the loop. Next, example of using the for loop. Number 1, iterating through an array. The for loop is commonly used to access and processing as element of an array, ensuring efficiency array manipulation. Number 2, numerical iteration. It is beneficial for performing a set of operations and specific number of times, sometimes as operating a pattern of executing a sequence of calculation. Number 3, iterating over character. For loop are sustainable for revising through string or character array, enable character based operation and processing. Do while loop. Characteristic. Do while loop executes a block of code as long as the specific condition remains true, being explicitly useful when the exact number of iteration is unknown. Usage. It is employed when the number of iteration is determined based on a specific condition validity, or when the loop shortens indefinitely until a certain condition is mirrored or become false. Syntax of the while loop. Condition check. And until condition is evaluated before the execution of iteration, determining whether the block of code will continue to run. Number 2, block execution. The code within the while loop is executed as long as the condition remains true, allow for effective repetitive execution with a certain condition. Example of using the while loop. Incremental sequences. While loops are beneficial for generating sequential patterns of calculating sequences determined by specific condition. User input validation. They can be used to validate user input or execute processing by or dynamic condition, making them versatile for interactive program. To the while loop. Number 1, usage. The while loop is employed when the code block must execute and last one before the loop condition is evaluated. User entitled execution regardless of the condition struct value. Number 2, continuous iteration. It is ideal for repetitive execution based on a condition, allowing continuous interaction until the specified condition becomes false. Syntax of the while loop. Number 1, initial execution of the block. Execution initial before the condition is checked and ensuring the loops and equivocal execution as at last once. Number 2, conditional check. After the initial execution, the specific condition in evaluated affecting the control flow of the loop. Number 3, reposition. The block of code in repeated execution as long as the condition remains true, allowing for continuous iteration based on the condition validity. Example of using the do while loop. Menu-driven program. The while loop is beneficial for constructing interactive menu-driven program that program this execution as last once using user interaction before evaluating the loop condition. Input validation. It's userful validation user input and ensuring that correcting operation are carried out unless once become net. You know great number of interaction in advance. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.